can you freeze assets before you start a divorce? It's always a good question. In other words, you're worried you're going to get a divorce. You're concerned someone's going to spend a lot of money or invade assets. What do? Well, you can ask the court to essentially freeze the assets to prevent hiding or spending down the marital estate, squandering, in essence, the available items to split. In order to get the court to do that, in order to get the court to put that freeze on, to put that injunction on, you're going to have to show the court that if they don't, there is a risk of irreparable harm. There is a risk of dissipation of the asset. You and your attorney, if you find that there is a risk, you must act quickly. You must file motions before the court. You must ask the court for a temporary restraining order that, with the exception of money that's needed to sustain yourself in daily life, there shouldn't be any big ticket items bought. There shouldn't be any big ticket items sold. There shouldn't be any pledging or mortgaging of assets or anything like that. And in order to do that, you have to show the court that there's a real risk that if the court allows that, the estate will be diminished. If you can do that, the court will generally permit you a freezing of the assets even before the divorce is finalized, even as the divorce is winding up.